Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT Prep channel Quantifiers. Today we are back again with yet another interesting set in our daily DILR series, of which if you want to be a part of, you can do what is mentioned over here. You have to text me on a given phone number, that is 9988656560, for any query or anything, and then I'll add you to a different group. Before we move ahead, like always, this is the snapshot of the courses that we provide. If you want to join our new batch, right now is the time because we are going to launch our new batch super soon. And these are some of the most affordable courses here you can find. In this daily DIR series, we have covered around 32 sets as of now. And today we are going to do a set which is based upon data interpretation. Okay. We call it the basketball set. So let's see what is given to us. Now we have there are two friends, Jordan and Bryant. They had a basketball shootout in which each player attempts to shoot the ball into the basket. There were 10 rounds in totality, and in each round, each player had 20 attempts to shoot on the basket. So in total overall, a player took 200 shots. Okay. Now, the cumulative accuracy of each player was calculated at the end of every round. So cumulative accuracy is collected, which is an interesting point. Cumulative accuracy means accuracy up to that point out of the total shots. So if I'm talking about round 1, this accuracy is out of 20. If I'm talking about round 2, this increased accuracy of 70% is out of 40 shots. After 2 rounds, there will be 40 shots, and then this is the accuracy. Okay. So this is the kind of set we have. Also, we are given that for every correct shot, a player is awarded 1 point. ठीक है, so हर perfect point के लिए एक player को 1 point दिया जाता है. Now we have to move ahead and see कि what we need to do. Now I have just written down that graph into this data here. Okay. For example, if I'm talking about Bryant's entry was 50%, 70%, 70%, 67.5. So I have written this as 70, 60, 65, 70, 70, 50, 70, 70, 67.5. I have noted everything down. Okay. So why so? Because it will be easier for me to accumulate everything, and it is easier for me to calculate the data. Okay. Now let's see. In round 1, I know that number of matches are 20. So if Bryant has 60% accuracy, which means he made 12 shots. So his total must be 12 points. Okay. In second round, there are 40 shots. In 40 shots, there is an accuracy of 65. So 65 accuracy denotes 26%. 26. So in this round, he's after this round, the total is 26. So in this round, he scored 14 points. This is given to me. Now similarly, let me calculate it for all the other values. Now if I keep proceeding, now I know for Bryant in this round 60, 70% is 42. So in this round the points are 16. These are 80, 56. The points are 14. These are 100, 65. The points will be 9. This is 120. This is 62.5. Here you can use fractions in a very good way. 62.5 I know is 5 by 8. So it is nothing but 75 points. So here the number of points are 10. 7 rounds, 140. So 140 ka 65%. 140 ka 60% is 84. 10% is 14. So 791. So here the number of points will be 16. So this is an easy way to calculate 65%. 140 का 65% कैसे calculate किया? 60% I know is 84. 10% I know is 14. So 5% will be 7. So 84 plus 7, 91. Okay. Then 160 ka 65%. Again in a similar way, 60% is 96. And 5% will be 8. 104. So these are 13 points. So 180 rounds, 60%. 108. This is 4. And then 200 rounds, 62.5. 200 ka 5 by 8. That is 125. So in this round, 17 points. So this is the data I can extract out of the given things. Okay. So this completes this part. Now if I talk about this part, again 20, first is 50%, which means the 10 points, and the total is also 10. In the second round, it is 40, 70, 28. So the total is 18 points. Then This is 60, 60, 70, 42. This is 14 points. Then this here, the total is 67.5. In fractions, I can simply calculate it. It will come out to be 54. So it is 12 points. And this is 70%, 54. And after this, it will become 70. So it will be nothing but 16. 120, 70% is 84. So it is 14. 140, 65%, 6 is 84. And then 7 more, 91. So this will be 7 points. Similarly, 160, 65%, this will be 104 and this will be 13 points. 180 ka 65%, 108 plus 9, 117 and this will be 13 points. And 200 ka 65 is 130 and this will be 13 points. This is in. Now I have written everything down. After this, my journey is going to be easier in the set. The only part was calculation. If you feel that you are not good in calculations, I will suggest that just watch the Vedic math video that I am putting in description. In this, I have discussed various usage of this percentage chart, and I have taught that how you can quickly calculate the squares and multiplication technique. There is a Vedic math video which you can take help of. Okay. Now, how many points were scored by Bryant in the 5th round? So this is Bryant, and this is 5th round, and there are 9 points. So there are 9 points. Total points scored by both the players were highest in which round? So this is first round 22, 32, 30, 26, 25, 24, 23, 26, 17, 30, 32. So 32 is the highest, which is in second round. Okay. Third, in how many rounds Bryant scored more than Jordan? So Bryant has to score more than Jordan. So if I see one round, okay, I will mark it as this. In this round, he has scored more. In this round, he has scored more. This round, and then this round, and then this round. So there are a total of 5 rounds in which he has scored more. Okay, let's move to last. If another player, LeBron, had an accuracy of 10% in round 1, 20 in round 2, 30 in round 3, so on 100 in round 10, what is the total point difference between LeBron and Jordan? So for LeBron, what do I need to calculate? 20 ka 10%, 20 ka 20%, 20 ka 30%, so on up to 20 ka 100%. This is what I need to calculate for total points. So if I take 20 by 100 common, inside is 10 plus 20 plus 30 up to 100. So 20 by 100 into, this will be, this is an AP of 10 terms, 10 into 110 by 2, that is 550%. This is 550%. So these are total of 110 points. So LeBron has scored a total of 110 points. For Jordan, the number of points were 130. So the difference will come out to be 20 points. So again, a very, I won't say it is a difficult set, but a very calculative set. Okay, so if you're good with calculation, then you should take around 6 to 7 minutes to solve this type of set. And this is a typical CAT set. You can find such sets in CAT. Okay, so with this, I will finish my session. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you wish to be the part of this week, join us as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.